Today I'm going to teach you how to make a finger yarn guide with materials that you can buy from any dollar store. I'm Little John Yarns. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. The materials needed for this tutorial are 1.8 meter floral wire that I bought from my local Dollar Tree and a pair of pliers. We're going to begin by cutting 7 inches of wire. Next, we're going to take our wire and wrap it around a thick cylindrical object. I'm using a Boy ergonomic crochet hook, but don't worry what type of base you use. Once it's twisted, it's going to be completely adjustable. Continue to wrap the wire firmly around your base. One end will be wrapped completely around your base, leaving an inch tail on your opposite end. Continue to firmly press around your wire to mold it to your base. We're going to take a standard pair of pliers. If you're a jewelry maker, I'm sure you have the proper equipment, but you're going to take the end of your wire and gently turn it upwards to form your loop. So continue to twist it. We're going to twist your loop until it is almost closed. We're going to leave a little space so you can work the yarn through. And voila, we're all done. You have your finger yarn feeder. Let's pull our ring off the base and see how it looks. Alright, right here, you just pop it on your finger and you put the yarn through this little loop right here. Next, I'm going to show you how to adjust your ring. You grab either side and just twist, and it's easily adjustable. Now, let's see this bad boy in action. First, I'm going to insert it on my pointer finger. I'm going to insert my working yarn right through the loop. As simple as that, and begin crocheting. Now you don't have to worry about buying your own finger yarn feeder. You can make one for super cheap. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my other crochet hack on how to increase worsted weight yarn into super bulky yarn. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next tutorial.